There's a lighthouse on the hillside that overlooks life's sea. When I'm tossed, it sends out a light that I might see, and a light that shines in darkness now will safely lead me home. If it wasn't for that old lighthouse, my ship would sail no more. Everybody that lives around us says, why don't you tear that lighthouse down? You know the big ships, they don't sail this way anymore. Ain't no use of it standing round. But then my mind goes back to that stormy night when just in time I saw the light, oh the light from that old lighthouse that stands up there on the hill.
And I thank God for the lighthouse. I owe my life to Him. Jesus is the lighthouse, and from the rocks of sin He has shone the light around me, that I could clearly see. If it wasn't for the lighthouse, then where would this ship be?